So I would like to take just a step back and look at it from an industry standpoint. So you were describing something in the beginning where you were talking about how the FDA and all the hack people in this space kind of create this stigma around the industry. Yet when I look at the cryptocurrency space, I see Bitcoin as a thought leader, and then you have the garbage that is Dogecoin. And I feel like the industries are evolving at the same time. How is cannabis going to go and clean up that reputation from an industry standpoint so that it is commonly allocated to inside of a financial advisor's portfolio?
I think you're starting to see that shift with part of the administration shift on the U.S. level, with the commitment to have some form of legalization. Whether that does or does not happen actually has zero effect for us as a company. Us as a company, actually, the barrier to entry state remains high. It's probably actually a benefit for us. It comes down, then there's an ability to raise, exponentially more institutional capital, but we haven't had any issues raising capital to date, knock on wood. Specific to your question of industry stigma, I think industry stigma really comes when there's enough science to back it. I think seeing, pharmaceutically approved products like GW Pharmaceutical, a $7.9 billion acquisition by Jazz helps to entrench the reason why there's some validity to what's happening now.